So the biggest thing is being prepared for it and realizing there are slow-moving vehicles out there on the roadway. Some of the numbers we throw out at people are things like if a vehicle's moving at 15 miles an hour and you're doing 55, that you'll close that distance in about 2 to 3 seconds. And that's the length of a football field you would close down. So about 300 feet in a few seconds if there's that differential in speed. So we'll see combines in harvest season this time of the year, combines and trucks hauling grain that they have harvested out of the field, sometimes other crops, but typically we'll be talking about corn and soybeans that they're harvesting. So we'll have trucks and combines entering and leaving the roadway, as well as other carts and vehicles that may be hauling these commodities.